Hello everyone, I am Advok and welcome to this video about artificial intelligence, also known as AI. AI has become one of the hottest topics in technology and is changing the way we live and work. In this video, we will explore what AI is, how it works, and its impact on society. What is AI? AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing images, and making decisions. AI is a broad field that encompasses various subfields, including machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. How does AI work? AI systems rely on large amounts of data to learn and improve their performance over time. Machine learning, a subset of AI, involves training algorithms to make predictions or decisions by using data as input. Natural language processing is another subset of AI that enables machines to understand and interpret human language. AI applications in real life. AI has numerous applications in real life, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images and diagnose diseases. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud and optimize investments. In transportation, AI is being used to develop self-driving cars. Ethical and societal implications of AI. While AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries, it also raises ethical and societal concerns. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement, as AI has the potential to automate many jobs. There are also concerns about privacy, bias, and accountability when using AI systems. Future of AI. The future of AI is exciting and holds immense potential. With advancements in AI technology, we can expect to see more advanced and sophisticated AI systems that can learn and adapt faster. The use of AI is also expected to become more widespread in many industries, leading to more efficient and productive workflows. In conclusion, AI is a powerful technology that has already transformed many industries and will continue to do so in the future. While AI has immense potential, it's important to consider the ethical and societal implications of its use. By understanding AI and its impact, we can better prepare for a future where AI is an integral part of our lives. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on technology and innovation.